Okay, let us see how to create 11th week. Second question. Okay, this one. First we will draw the base plate. After that we will draw this plate in another view. Front view I will draw base plate. Okay, the length is 95 plus this radius 40. Then 1 to 135. Height should be 20 mm. Okay. Then in the right side view we will draw the same 80 mm plate. Okay. We will go for AutoCAD. You take the view front. Views can be, I already set units and limits. We go for front view. Then draw a rectangle of, take rectangle and click anywhere on the screen. Then go for dimension option. Length is 130. I am asking for length 135, 135. Enter. Then height 20. The rectangle is drawn. You click. Thereafter you have to extrude this for 80 mm. For extrusion you go for southeast isometric, okay, SC isometric, and then you extrude it. Take the extrude command and you select the object to extrude, enter, and it starts extruding. And 80 mm, 80, okay, enter. Now let us take these corners, these two corners, fillet. Go for solid and then fillet it, and radius option 80. Dia is 80, then 40. Radius will be 40. Give 40 mm and then click the appropriate edges. Okay. Enter. Okay, done. Thereafter, we will draw a cylindrical shape nearby. You take the cylinder and cylinder comes like this. So you draw the bigger cylinder, referring that diagram, bigger cylinder, this shape. Okay. In order to do this shape, cylinder it will be in the top view. So you cancel and you change the view into top once, and then you come to isometric, SC isometric again, and then you draw a cylinder. It will be in that top view. Okay. See now the radius, the diameter is 65. So let us take the option diameter. And it is waiting for diameter 65. Enter. Then height will be 25. 25. Okay, enter. The cylinder created. Thereafter, inner cylinder. What is the inner cylinder? The radius, diameter is 35. Height is the same. Okay, let us create that also. Take cylinder command and with this base point you create, with the same base point you create It is waiting for radius, go for diameter and 35, enter 35. Okay, upward. Anyway, it is going to subtract, so you give more than the 25. And then and there you do the Boolean operation, subtract, select bigger cylinder, enter, and smaller one, subtract. It will be subtracted and you will get the solid cylindrical shape like this. Thereafter, let us move this and to the position it. Okay. For movement, you go for 2D wireframe and take move command, and then you select the cylinder, enter, and catch the base point, bottom center, and take it to this. You touch the radius, edge, and it will show the center point. You click there. It is moved from here to there. Okay. Now base plate is created. Thereafter, we'll in the front view, base plate created. We will take the right side view. Right side view. Nearby, you create this 95 cross 80. The same plate will create. 95 cross 80. The 90 is center of the circle to center is 90. So let us create the straight rectangular plate. That is, height is 95 and the width is 80. Okay. Let us go for AutoCAD and you take the rectangle command and click anywhere and you take the dimension option. And the width is, it is waiting for the length, that is 80, and height is 95. It is created. Okay. Now, in addition, let us create the circle, two-sided circular shape. Okay. That is, what is the circle radius 25, outer and inner radius dia 25. Okay. Let us create that. Center of the circle is 5 mm, 90 mm. Between the centers are 90. So let us create first. You take the circle. This is purely 2D. So you take the radius circle. You create here circle radius 25. Enter. And then move this circle down, move command, 25 mm you move downward, 25, enter. Thereafter again you move this left side, 5 mm. Okay, the center is offset. Here if you zoom it and you can see this step. You draw one straight line from here. It's ortho mode on, straight line. Okay. Now let us trim the unwanted portions of the circles. Okay. Inner portion no need. This portion also no need. Okay. This portion also no need. Okay. Similar way, this circle can be mirrored this side, this portion. You select and go for mirror. Select the midpoint of this line. Okay. Enter. And then you extend this line. Or you take one line and draw from here to there, circle. Okay. Now you can go for trim this portion. You will have some that shape. Then take circle of radius, diameter 25, and you touch this, it will show the center point. Here you draw the circle of diameter 25. Okay, the same circle can be mirror with respect to the middle center. Okay, now the everything can be joined, and let us create region. Select all, enter. 3 regions are created, 1, 2, 3. Okay, now come to the SE isometric. Now let us extrude this. Select this, first extrude this one with the thickness of 20 mm. Okay, enter, and 20, it will become a solid. Then after this, in order to take the hole, 2 holes, you go for press pull. Take the circle inside, keep the cursor in the middle of the circle and click and drag. Okay, you can create a hole, it will be created the hole. Let us do again. Okay, now extrude. Let us create all the surfaces, all the sketches, extrude with 20 mm. 20. This is the easiest way, and then after that you subtract the smaller 2 solids from the bigger solid. Select the bigger one, enter, select the both 2 solids in order to create this hole. You can ensure that the model is created. This up of the with the okay, that hole is created. Okay, now this plate should be moved and placed here. So let us take the move command, move, select object, enter, and catch the reference point will be this corner of this center base. Should be moved to this corner. Okay, it is moved. Now the model is created. You can go for perfect SE isometric view. Then thereafter let us move to the front view. Front, and then let us rotate this to 30 degree. Already there is 90 degree between this and this. So 120 degree, to make it 120 degree, 90 plus further 30 degree, it will become 120 degree. So take rotate command, select object, enter, base point about this corner, bottom corner. Now you type 30, only 30 degree. Okay, it is rotated. Okay. Now this is separate solid, this is separate solid. In order to get this edge, we need to coincide this one, merging these 2 solids, that is union. Union, select object 1 and 2 and 3. Everything you can go for merging together. Enter. Now you got the edge here. So with reference to this edge and this middle, you can go for the rib option. Okay. Let us make this into wireframe, 2D wireframe, and you draw one line. Okay. You go for front view, and from here to here you draw a line. Okay, let us take line from here. Switch off ortho. From here you can go for drawing line along with the So it is not drawn with this. So let us delete that. Let us keep in a isometric, SC isometric, and take line and catch the midpoint of that edge. You draw with this midpoint. And you can catch this midpoint. Like that you can draw. Okay, and then this is drawn. Let us select the solid and hide the solid, hide object. It will be hidden. Okay, temporarily it will be hidden. Then you can extrude this. It is in the middle, so you can go for extrude in both direction. What is the thickness? Let us see. The thickness is 16, so 8. We'll extrude this. Before extruding, you go for select making region. Select all the lines, enter. See, one region created. Okay, now you go for extrude, select object, enter. One side you extrude 8 mm. Then you go for move, extrude faces. One option is there, extrude faces. Select this side and enter. Then you specify the height. You click here and switch on ortho and enter 8 mm this side, and angle should be 0. Enter. It will be extruded 8 mm this side. Okay, now let us switch on the object end object isolation, and you can see that this rib is done. Okay, see that the rib is done. Thank you.